Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reactivate a locked or self-disabled Binance account. If you have disabled your Binance account and now want to again access, the process is quite simple. First, open your web browser and visit the Binance Support Center. Go to the Binance Help Center and sign into your account if possible. Once you are logged in, look for the 24/7 customer support and get support option. Open the chat or inbox section and explain that you would like to reactivate your locked or self disabled account. The support team may ask you to provide some information or documents to verify your identity, such as government issued ID or other account details. Submit the requested information and follow any instructions they provide. After Binance completes the verification process, your account can be reviewed and reactivated. That's all you need to do to reactivate a Binance locked account. Thanks for watching.